Macaws are large, colorful parrots native to Central and South America. They are known for their striking plumage, which comes in a variety of colors like red, blue, yellow, and green. There are about 17 species of macaws, including the hyacinth macaw, the largest, the scarlet macaw, and the blue and yellow macaw. Macaws are highly intelligent and social birds, often seen in flocks, and they communicate with loud calls. They primarily eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes flowers, using their strong, curved beaks to crack open hard shells. Sadly, many macaw species are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and breeding programs. Macaws are also known for their ability to mimic human speech and can live up to 50 to 60 years in captivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe.